Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can actually build your theme in WordPress from scratch, from nothing, literally nothing, using no HTML, no JavaScript, not even a single programming language. So to do so, first of all we need to open the dashboard by going to wordpress.com/wp-admin. Right after you open this page, this will be showed for you unless you are not logged in. So they will ask you to log in by using your username and then your password. So this page will be open for you. What you will need to do is go to appearance and then go and select whatever theme that you can see here. Preferably choose a simple one that has nothing in it. So for example, this one. Now what you will have to do is go to plugins, and from plugins click on add new and then search for Elementor. This plugin is a free plugin, but unless you want it to go pro, it will open for you a lot of accessibility, a lot of stuff that will make your theme even much cooler. So if you want to pay for it, it is 100% worth. So now what we are going to do is we are going to use Elementor, the free version. It is still good, it's not bad, it is still perfectly usable. So now what we'll have to do is, after we download it, we go to install plugins, and from here we search for Elementor. So here it is, and we click on activate. So right after we activate it, we will ask you to create an account and etc. So click here, create an account, or you can just skip it. So we can click skip, and skip. So after we ended this, what you have to do is they will open you a random page. So in this page they will give you all of the stuff that you can actually do with this plugin. So you can actually add buttons, you can change the color of the buttons, you can change the text to add an icon on the button, you can even use some of their already icons library, you can make it far, you can do whatever you like to do. Also there is some other options, which is let's go down here. Okay, this is the pro section, so we're not going to go and look at it. Here is, I think, some templates. Let's try to see. Of course, not like that. So sidebar. Oh, here you can add like a sidebar from your website. So let's remove this. Let's add new, basic, none of these. Okay, here you can add actually a text, image, video, button, icon, Google map, for example. You can add a map here. All right, here for example, if we go down, here's an icon box, image, some images, some basic gallery, some counter. If even you wanted a counter, you don't really need, for example, a plugin to do a counter for you. You have Elementor that will do the work for you. Also there is let's go down, there is some short code. If you have any code in your brain, you can just add it to the page without going to the HTML code, just by dragging this in here, and you write the code here and it will be working for you. So there is a lot of options that you can even look towards by your own and use whatever would fit the website the best. And yeah guys, that was it with today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like, and thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.